Need to update your Apple Watch without using an iPhone? Well, look no further. You can do it directly from the watch. In this video, I'll show you how to update your Apple Watch without needing an iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure your Apple Watch must be connected to a Wi-Fi. Your Apple Watch must be on its charger and have at least 50% battery. Now follow the steps to update your Apple Watch. First, open up the watch home screen by tapping the digital crown button. Then, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new software update available, then download and install the update. And that's how you can update your Apple Watch without using an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Do you have any questions? Then feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.